So children, I am back over here with the lesson, and we are going to read about a school, DAV school only, like how our school is DAV, same this is also DAV, and a great celebration was going to take place in this school, and that's why the school was decorated very beautifully. All around the school there were flags, there were streamers, like we decorate with flowers and this thing, hang those things, and then also rangoli and many other decorations were put up, lighting also. And the principal and the head girl, who is a head girl, you all know in our school also we have a head girl who represents all the students, the girl students, and head boy is that boy who represents all the boys of that school, who is the head of all the boys. All the things we do is through them only, the head girl and the head boy. So the principal and the head girl, they were greeting the guests, they were all welcoming the guests, those who are coming to the gate, they were asking them to come and please come in, how are you, and then they were applying tilak. You all know what is tilak, no? When we are putting one kumkum tika on the forehead, that is applying tilak. And in different ways children were enjoying a lot, and with great respect they were welcomed, all the guests who were coming to witness the program. And there was a school band also, in like how we have got band in our school, but in every school not only one drum set we have got many other musical instruments which are played during the different occasions of the school. So the drum beat was playing a beautiful music, and to welcome the guests. The whole atmosphere, the surrounding was filled with fun, happiness, joy, and so much of celebration was over there. And children were very happy, excited that we are going to have some competition in the school. So one inter-house celebration was going to take place, and the theme was Indian culture. As I told you, what is culture? We have got many types of culture in our country. We have got marriage celebrations, we have festivals, and so on. All these type of things were going to be taken up by different houses. One house, one theme it had, and they were going to put up a big show, a presentation. They were going to present everything on stage, and that's why they were very excited. Because you see, when competition is there, then definitely one house will win, no? So all the houses, the children, they were together and trying to make their house win in different ways. So that's why they were doing all types of things. They prepared so well everything, like how you all also prepare in the school, no? So there were 6 houses in the school. We have got 4 houses. This school had 6 houses because very big school and so many children, so that's why they had 6 houses. And all of them were ready with their competition, to take part in the competition. Whatever they had prepared, they were ready to show it on stage, and everyone was very much excited for it. So they had selected very good topics, and based on those topics they were going to put up the show. Students, when we are in some competition, then we bring some different information from here and there, no? So they also collected some information from parents, teachers, and they went to the library, they searched on the net, everywhere they searched for some sort of information to make their program a grand success. And this is what we all also do in our school. And lots of hard work was put up, lots of efforts. They made posters, they made stage properties. What are properties? Like whatever we are going to use on the stage for that program, those are known as stage properties. Then scripts, they wrote down for everyone writings were there, their dialogues were written in it, so that all learn up the dialogues what they are going to present on the stage. And then costumes, different types of dresses they had to wear, no? Because you see, if you just go like that without a proper dress, you will not get. So there was, on costume also there are points, marks we get. So to prepare all these things, they did a lot of hard work. And then the program was inaugurated with the lighting of lamp by chief guest, and the principal delivered a welcome speech. Now what is inauguration? Something which, when we are going to do something new or just begin something, then we start with different types of ceremonies. So sometimes we light the lamp, sometimes we cut the ribbon, all such type of things we do during the inauguration time. And that's what the school was doing. The different types of occasions were there, and in every place, when the inauguration takes place, they lit a lamp. The chief guest came and he lit the lamp along with the principal. And this is what we also do. Something, when we begin something new, we start something new, that is called inauguration. So we will take up, I will show you within a few minutes. I will come back again and I will tell you the first house, the Hans Raj house, presented what. And then I will tell you each and everything about that house and about that topic. So wait for a while, I am coming back.